Stop forgetting words and improve your fluency with these 8 practical habits. Want to improve your English without spending hours? These 8 daily habits will change everything. Hello, learners. Welcome back to Listen and Learn, the place where your journey to confident English speaking begins. In today's video, we're going to explore 8 small daily habits that can dramatically improve your English skills. Whether you want to speak fluently, understand English better, or just feel more confident, these practical tips will guide you every day. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll have a simple plan to practice English consistently and see real improvement. Let's begin. 1. Read something in English every day. Reading is one of the best ways to improve your English naturally. Every day, spend at least 10 to 15 minutes reading something in English. It can be news, blogs, or short stories. When you read, you learn new vocabulary and see how words are used in real sentences. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just try to get the main idea. Slowly, your reading speed and comprehension will improve. Try to note down new words and review them later. Reading also helps your brain think in English instead of translating from Bangla. If you make it a habit, you'll start recognizing common patterns in grammar and expressions, which will make both speaking and writing easier. So choose something interesting. It can be about sports, travel, or technology, and make reading a daily English exercise. 2. Listen to English podcasts or songs. Listening is a powerful way to improve your English naturally. Every day, listen to English for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It can be podcasts, songs, news, or short YouTube videos. When you listen, you train your ears to understand different accents, pronunciation, and rhythm. In the beginning, you might not catch every word. That's totally fine. Focus on understanding the main meaning. Gradually, your brain will start recognizing words and phrases automatically. Try listening to topics that interest you, like travel, motivation, or technology. You can even pause and repeat difficult parts to practice shadowing. Music is also a fun way to learn. Sing along with your favorite songs to improve pronunciation and fluency. This daily habit helps you become comfortable with real-life English conversations. The more you listen, the more natural English will sound to you. 3. Speak in English for a few minutes. Speaking every day is one of the fastest ways to improve your English fluency. Try to speak in English for at least 5 to 10 minutes daily. You can talk to yourself, a friend, or even record your own voice. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are signs that you're learning. When you speak, your mouth gets used to forming English sounds, and your brain becomes faster at thinking in English. If you don't have anyone to talk to, describe what you're doing. For example, I'm making tea, or I'm going to study now. This habit builds your confidence. You can also pick a topic each day like my favorite movie or my dream job and talk about it aloud. Over time, you'll notice that your sentences flow more smoothly. The key is consistency. Even 5 minutes daily can make a big difference. So, speak boldly. Don't worry about perfection and make speaking a daily practice. 4. Learn 5 new words daily. Learning new words every day is a simple but very powerful habit for improving English. Try to learn at least 5 new words daily. Not just memorizing them, but actually using them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word confident, make a sentence like, I feel confident when I speak English. This helps your brain remember it better. You can use a notebook or a digital app to write down the new words along with their meanings and example sentences. Review them at the end of the day or week to keep them fresh in your mind. When you see or hear those words again, you'll recognize them easily. Gradually, your vocabulary will grow, and you'll start speaking and writing more naturally. Learning just 5 words a day means you'll know more than 150 words in a month. That's a big improvement. 5. Write a short journal in English. Writing a daily journal in English is one of the most effective ways to improve your grammar, vocabulary, and thinking skills. Every night before bed, write a few sentences about your day, what you did, how you felt, or what you learned. For example, today I went to class and learned something new. I felt happy because I spoke English confidently. This small daily habit helps you express your thoughts in English naturally. You don't need to write a long story. Just 5 to 10 lines are enough. If you don't know some words, use simple ones or look them up in a dictionary. Writing regularly makes your brain organize sentences faster and builds confidence in your written English. Over time, you'll notice your spelling, sentence structure, and fluency improving. Plus, you'll have a written record of your English journey, a reminder of how much you've grown. Number 6. Watch English movies or YouTube videos with subtitles. Watching English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles is one of the most enjoyable ways to improve your English. When you listen and read at the same time, your brain connects pronunciation with spelling and meaning. Choose videos that interest you, comedy, travel, or motivation, so you stay engaged. Start with subtitles in English, not Bangla, because this helps you learn how words sound and appear together. Pay attention to tone, accent, and expression. Try repeating short lines after the speaker. This is a mini shadowing exercise that improves your pronunciation and speaking rhythm. If you don't understand something, pause and replay that part. Watching regularly helps you learn real-life English, including idioms, phrases, and natural speech patterns. It's not just learning, it's fun. So turn your entertainment time into learning time. 7. Think in English. Thinking in English is a powerful way to become fluent and natural in speaking. Most learners translate from their native language before speaking, and that slows them down. To fix this, start training your brain to think directly in English. Begin with simple thoughts. For example, instead of saying in Bangla, think, I'm going to drink water. You can also describe what you see around you in English, like, the sky is blue, or that car looks fast. At first, it may feel difficult, but with daily practice, it becomes easier. You can use your inner voice to plan your day, make decisions, or express feelings, all in English. This habit builds mental fluency. So, when you speak, words will come out faster and more naturally. The more you think in English, the less you depend on translation. And soon, English will feel like a part of your mind. 8. Practice shadowing technique. Shadowing is a highly effective method to improve your English pronunciation, fluency, and listening skills. It involves listening to a native speaker from a YouTube video, podcast, or movie, and repeating exactly what they say almost at the same time. Start with short sentences and simple conversations. Pay close attention to the speaker's tone, rhythm, and intonation. By copying exactly how they speak, your mouth learns to produce English sounds naturally, and your brain starts thinking in English more quickly. If you found these habits useful, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite tip, and subscribe for more English learning strategies. Practice these 8 daily habits consistently,